In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a clean Google Sheet using Excel and Google Drive. We'll start by turning your PDF into an Excel file. PDFs don't store data like spreadsheets do, so you need a converter to extract the tables. You can use an online PDF to Excel tool such as Small PDF, I Love PDF, or Adobe Acrobat. Open the converter in your browser, upload your PDF, and choose Excel as the output format. XLSX is ideal, but .xls will work too. Let the tool process the file, then download the converted Excel workbook to your computer. Keep in mind, if your PDF is a scanned image or has complex layouts, the results may need a bit of cleanup. Also, avoid uploading sensitive documents to online converters unless you trust the service and understand their privacy policy. Next, get that Excel file into Google Drive so you can open it in Google Sheets. Go to drive.google.com, sign in if needed, and click the New button at the top left. Choose File Upload, then select the Excel file you just downloaded. You'll see an upload indicator in the bottom corner. Once it's complete, the file will appear in your Drive. Now open it with Google Sheets. Find the uploaded Excel file in Drive, right-click it, choose Open With, and select Google Sheets. Google will create a Sheets version automatically, and it should open in a new tab. Your original Excel file will remain in Drive, so you'll have both versions if you need them. Finally, do a quick cleanup to make the data reliable and easy to work with. PDF conversions can introduce odd spacing, extra rows, or misaligned columns. Adjust column widths so headers and values are visible. Scan the header row to ensure each column has the correct title, and make sure numbers are recognized as numbers rather than text. If they're left aligned or show errors, reformat them using the number options. If you see extra spaces, remove them with a trim tool or a quick find and replace for double spaces. Delete blank rows that break up your table, and realign any cells that slid into the wrong columns during conversion. If your table came from multiple PDF pages, check the boundaries where pages joined and merge duplicate headers. Freezing the top row can also help keep headers in view while you scroll. That's it. You've converted a PDF to Excel, uploaded it to Google Drive, opened it in Google Sheets, and tidied the data so it's ready for analysis or sharing.